All right, it's aftermarket on the 3rd of February. This is E-mini Wizard, just with an end-of-day wrap-up. First thing we wanted to look at today was this idea of band to band. We had talked about a 40 and a quarter target. We felt very strongly that the 32 to 35 would be an initial resistance zone, but destined to be taken out later day. And we had encouraged our traders to play for the half gap from the 30 to 35 resistance using a tight stop. And if we got to the 21 zone, use 19.5 to 20 as support, and think of that as a scalp trade along with the trend, and hopefully get to that 38.5 to 41, 40 and a quarter, our primary targets. And any day high was possible, but those were our primaries, with the idea of attempting to get to the 42s, 44s, and beyond that really a stretch, because we're just moving from yesterday's low, and that's a 70-point trade no matter how you slice it. Above the blue line, alligator running to the high side comfortably on the 30-minute chart. We thought our base chart, and just work this Keltner all the way up into the close. And if you're looking at the RTH charts, 30-minute chart here sitting on top of the rain line, perfect entry on a pullback back into it at that 22 to 20 zone. Daily charts, we'd taken out the previous day's high, a lot of air running to any high really today possible once we turned the corner yesterday. 5-minute chart, a beauty. First up, sat here, green line, red line test, pulled back to the blue line, and we thought blue line for buying. This is a position buy. Anybody that adds to their trades right here, or if they took profits, this is re-entry zone. And I would have to say the primary target we were looking for was that 40 and a quarter, and then late day and anything possible in a squeeze running into the close. And the box system, we had a high odds target to complete 43 to 44. That's this red line right here. 5-minute chart we've talked about. 60-minute chart, Globex, we really liked. We thought that chart was in play. You can see trend up above this blue line, red line, green line, and just squeezing into the close. Angels and demons. Demon resistance, we had a nice little channel coming into the support zone, settled out, made a 25 angel, and from there never looked back. Squeezed in at lunchtime. Biggest surprise probably for us was that it kept on chugging long side without any kind of profit taking after 3:30. Really waited until late day, 4 o'clock, before profits were taken. If you were looking at the Globex charts, a little bit longer distance charts, you can see this channel line straight up, just a beautiful push all the way up into that resistance zone. And we had potential targets today, 38.5 to 40 and a quarter. These were our high odds targets. Past the 40 and a quarter, measured moves, we had a 70-point trade from the low. So looking at that trade, obviously we felt the overdone part was probably the last 15-20 minutes, and we warned shorts that you're going to guess wrong 5 times before you guess right once. Not worth the effort. And lastly, taking a look at the swing charts. That support we found yesterday from that video we showed yesterday, extremely powerful launch. This is the beginning of the month bias, and shorts who were stubborn and thought we should get big rotations today, short side, I think were mistaken, did not understand the power of first of the month bias. Very powerful day. We felt the flip zone today would would be in that 20 to 25 zone, that the shorts had to beat 20 and get back to 1875 and take out the gap if they wanted more. A few of our traders thought about that idea, and we talked about it and said really the best thing to do is buy and go with the trend until proven wrong. That turned out to be a great trade. One of our traders caught that move from 20, held down all the way into that 41, 42, took a nap and had his software handle it for him, woke up and had himself a great day. So this is E-mini Wizard. Hope you had a great day. Hope you're enjoying our analysis of the markets. And if you are looking for an opportunity, contact admin at eminiwizard.com. We've got a special coming up. And if you'd like to take your trading to the next level, shoot us an email. Be well.